Hello, ma'am. Hello.
Hi,
Yes, how are you?
fine.
Thank you so
Okay, you
much.
have
Yeah.
uh, you have to explain me something. You have only 10 minutes because I'm gonna have a meeting now.
Okay. Then let me explain about ourselves briefly, and then we're gonna talk about our project shortly. My name is Rifat Sarkar, and in here another person, his name is Motiur Rahman, and he's reach out to you, and he will work with you. I'm his team member and agency partner, and we have a big digital marketing agency in Bangladesh, and we are providing digital marketing all types of services. So this purpose today's meeting topic is about your YouTube channel. You know, ma'am, you have a great YouTube channel, and you wanna get more views, get more traffic, get more audience, get more qualityful leads in your channel. Am I right?
Uh-huh.
Yes, so for your YouTube channel, we have three types of services available. First one is organic work, and that is SEO, that means search engine optimization. And in this session, we will research for you your niche related targeted keyword. Keyword means one type of word and sentences that are using for searching purpose. So we will research your niche related targeted keyword. So and then we will input and include this keyword on your video's backend section, like your videos title section, your videos description section, and also your videos text section. And when we successfully input this keyword on your videos backend section, then when your audience search on YouTube according to your niche and keyword, then your videos will show YouTube and Google on the top search result. So this is the way we can get our result. And also we will do for you the AEO, that means AI engine optimization. You know, ma'am, nowadays is AI era, and people ask to AI suggest me which type of videos, etc. And AI suggest people video, etc. So we will optimize our videos for AI engine optimization, and whatever it's ChatGPT, Gemini, DeepSeek, Claude, or other AI tool, there is no issue. We will do AEO, that's been AI engine optimization. And after that, when people will ask to AI about your niche and category, that AI can suggest your videos to people, that is AEO. And also we have another method that's called organic promotion. And in this session, you know, ma'am, millions of people using social media site, so we can share your videos to them by social media. It's organic work also. And also we have another work that's paid work, and that is Google Ads. And in this session, if you have money, then you can choose the paid work, that means Google Ads. But the problem and limitation is, it if you choose the Google Ad work, it will promote your videos just overnight, but when you stop spending money, the result will be stopped. So that is the limitation of Google Ads. That's why I will suggest you, you can choose the SEO and AEO work, because these are organic work and very much effective. So if you wanna get result for long time, I think we should choose the SEO and AEO work first. And after that, yes, if you see yes result is coming and you are satisfied with it, then you can we can create our Google campaign. There is no issue. So right now, can I share my screen to show you our agency, our previous work and their results, so that you can know you why choose us. You are on mute. You are on
I
mute.
know, I know, I
Yes,
know.
yes. So let me share my screen just briefly. Just if you search on Google just by Freelancing School BD, you will see it's our website, and the domain name is Freelancing. The domain name is freelancing school BD.site, and in here you can see it's me. And if you click on our portfolio section, then you can see we have done a lots of project about all the thing you can see here, work proof sheet, YouTube video promotion, social media promotion, etc. You can click on, you can see the YouTube SEO work before and after. You can check it out after finish our meeting. He will send you all of those link and information by text. Then you can click on YouTube, Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, Google Ads, social media management. You can check both things, and you can click on our team section. Then you can see our full team. and you can click on our client meeting section that you can see our client's meeting. So right now, if you have any question, if you want to know any more other information, then you can feel free to ask me. I will try to answer you. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me what you say.
Now I'm waiting for your question if you have.
For what, sorry?
I'm waiting for your question. If you have any question, you can feel free to ask me. I will try to answer you.
No, I don't have.
Okay, then did you understand about all the thing that I have explained? Or
Yeah, you are explaining what is that, a school or?
Freelancing School BD, and he will send you our website's link, then you can check and verify by your own.
Yes, but you said that to improve my YouTube.
Yes. I think I will suggest you can get our any free and a small package for trial base. After one period for free trial, if you see yes, result is coming and you are satisfied with our free trial result, then you can choose our package. So we are performance driven marketer, and we strongly believe if you grow, we will grow. If we can make you successful, then you will pay us money. Otherwise not. Right. So we strongly believe if you grow, we will grow. We like to work with you as a free trial first. And after this period, if you can choose us, hire us, or if you can fire us, there is no issue.
Okay.
We will support.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am, thank you so much. Thank you for your
Bye
time.
bye.
Bye bye.